अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, यू वाचिंग चिल आउट दुबई ऑन स्टाइल 360। इस वक्त हम लोग खड़े हुए हैं अलकूज में।
Yes, we're at Al-Quoz and we're going to meet a gentleman called Kabul who's responsible for this whole beautiful thing that he's doing for the charity.
इनके बारे में हमें पता चला फेसबुक से। We just called him and he told us the place। यहाँ पहुँचे और अब चलते हैं, देखते हैं कि इंडिविजुअल कैपेसिटी में एक बंदा जो है वो क्या क्या काम कर रहा है फॉर द फ्लड विक्टिम्स in Pakistan. Let's go and check it out. I believe you are Mr. Kabul.
That's correct.
Cool. Right, Kabul, welcome to Chill Out Dubai on Style 360. This is the first show that we are doing on the charity in Dubai. I believe you are the one who initiated this process for Pakistanis. What do you have to say?
Well, first and foremost, thank you very much for coming down and doing your coverage on us. I would just like to say, not just myself, but a community of 5 or 6 people came on board initiating this process. And mashallah, it's mushroomed on another level altogether. You can actually hear the background, the people with the tape.
Right, we'll just go there to find out how the actual things are going on. But where exactly are you from? Tell us about yourself. How did you come up with the idea?
Well, to be honest with you, for the last year and a half, 2 years, I've been involved in matters, in fact longer than that, with different organizations and different aspects, with the Gaza operation, with Dubai Cares, and furthermore back in the UK as well. Initially in this one, I was involved with the Swat Valley situation last year, where over 3 million people became IDPs. And what we did was we joined with a local organization here and we did volunteering for that. When the situation happened here with the flooding, we decided to initiate a process and bring in the community together for the community. So what you're going to do is you're going to come in here. My right honourable lady over here, Sarah, will assist you, and you've got to fill in your name and your details, for instance. Okay? Okay. Once that's you're registered, you come along now. You come along to the other section over here. Follow me. As you see, a shipment's already arrived. Generosity of the people of UAE have come along and distributing the things over here.
So people are just coming over here. वो अपने यहाँ पे सामान ड्रॉप कर रहे हैं. उनको कुछ नहीं पता कि काबुल कौन है या इनको पर्सनली जानना ज़रूरी नहीं है. उनको सिर्फ ये पता है कि एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे आप अपनी डोनेशंस ला के ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं. जनरॉसिटी काफ़ी ज़्यादा शो की गई है और ये हम आपको दिखाएंगे जब अंदर जाके हम देखते हैं कितना सामान वहाँ पे पड़ा हुआ है. जैसे कि मुझे यहाँ पे पता चला था थ्रू फेसबुक कि यहाँ पे मैं कोई थोड़ी बहुत डोनेशंस ला के दे सकता हूँ. मैं यहाँ पे एंड देन आई गॉट टू नो द जेंटलमैन एंड वी आर हियर. सो लेट्स या.
It's a nice air-conditioned environment for the people. And as you can see, the volunteers out here cracking away. So we come in here, and you have a few of the runners coming in. And once you come in, you don't know what you're doing. So the 2 runners will come along and say, "Hi, welcome aboard to our little community spirit, Ramadan Kareem, etc." And we go ahead and they designate you tasks, whichever it may be. People, we require dates, like I said, because it's high fructose and it's a non-perishable item, and you can utilize it and distribute it as much as you want and easily accessible. Okay. For medical items, there's going to be a big catastrophe in the making. As you can imagine, the carcasses of the animals, they're all dead, right? And the rain's still going on. Once it dries, malaria is going to be on the scene.
The aftermath that we should be like more careful about.
Long-term perspective. Right now we have food and medicine. In terms of medicine, we need typhoid, cholera, diarrhea, malaria, dysentery. All those factors are involved. Why? You've got malnourished children. There's around 70% of the livestock have passed away in Pakistan.
75%.
70% of the livestock.
70% in Pakistan, or is it only the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa?
No. So what from reports
approximately?
Approximately 70% of the livestock has perished. I hope not, but we're expecting famine and drought next year. That's the foreseeable thought.
Okay. The winters are coming up as well.
Winter's coming. I mean, that's the foreseeable. Winter, the fact of the matter is, all those medicines, ORS, rehydration solutions, people are dehydrating as well. But my main concern is cholera, typhoid and malaria on a big level. Because you've got water that you've got in front of you, you can't drink, but you've got no choice but to drink. Majboor.
Right. Kabul, थोड़ी उर्दू बोल लेते हैं, हल्की. थोड़ा सा. See?
I can speak Pashto.
Oh, you can speak Pashto?
Yeah.
Right. Da kas sekunde da Pakhto ویلی شي. Kabul پښتو کې زموږ خلک اولې چې خیبر پښتونخوا کې زیاتره کسان دا ژبه پوهیږي او هغه ته خپل طرف نه توسوي چې اوس د حالات کې تاسو دلته نه کوم مدد کوي अखो डेर ज़्यादा मतलब सुसम तारीफ़ कुला कम दे
सही
खो अगर खल को बता सुसम मैसेज वर्क है यो आफत वर मंदिर आगले दे उस कूलिश आ गई
خالك السلام عليكم ده شيء لغنا so امين الام پوک من دکوا امید الله پوک من دکوا پدی س دا ارچو من درسي اور مو څه کوم کول شو غنا هغه کول شو هغه کو
ان شاء الله
که خیری تاسو طرفنا خپل کوشش کوی ایمان ځان سره مضبوط ګرځوي دا به ارڅ وشي ان شاء الله مو طرفنا څه کوم کول شو هغه به کو درته ان شاء الله.
And Kabul, hum Pakistan na de, but he has been out of Pakistan for the last so many years. He's lived in London and now he is based out of Dubai. For bya hum pal khalko de para da pura setup shuru kare de. It's all an individual call that he has done, and mashallah you can, you know, as we can see, there's so many people working over here. Well, thank you very much. And before we go ahead, can we just talk to some of your, you know, volunteers over here? I believe that all volunteers is
all volunteers Allah fazal de sa tarafna yo nakal yo misal khabara de حرکت کو برکات ملويږي مو ته الحمدلله حرکت وکړو مو طرفنا برکات دوره ملويږي الحمدلله الله طرفنا دوره سما ملا شو ان شاء الله که خیر مو بود سکم کوشش کول شو هغه به کو تاسو ته ان شاء الله.
Great.
There's so many nationalities working all together as a team to help people in Pakistan for the floods. So it's just so good to see humanity at this level. So we have, hi, what's your name?
Hi, Amanda.
Amanda, where are you from?
I'm half French, half Egyptian. We're just packing dried fruits.
What about you, gentlemen? What's your name?
My name's Mohammed. I'm from Palestine, and I work in Sharjah. I work in National Paints, and yeah, it's such a pleasure to come and help the people who are in need of help, especially where I'm Palestinian, and I kind of understand their suffering right now, and I wish their tragedy will end soon.
We have people from all over the world, and I'm so grateful that we have so many different nationalities here in Dubai. From the UAE actually, from Abu Dhabi, LA and Sharjah coming along to do their part of the community spirit. You can see here.
Well, my name is Osama Mahmood and I'm from Pakistan, Lahore. Over here, I have my team over here. As you can see, we're 5 people. And basically we're doing this to help the people of Pakistan so that, you know, they know that the overseas Pakistanis as well are supporting them as well. And I'll pass it down to Siddharth, my friend.
Hi, my name is Sanjay. I'm from the UK. Yeah, I'm just here helping out my fellow colleagues to pack some goods for the victims of the Pakistani floods. It's just a great way, rather than giving money, to come and actually physically help out and actually see the effort that's going in. So yeah, we've been at it hard and we're going to keep going.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, आप पाकिस्तान से हैं?
जी, मैं उर्दू इतना अच्छा नहीं है।
उर्दू जितने भी आपकी अच्छी है उसी में पूछना चाहेंगे, क्या नाम है आपका?
ईमान।
ईमान पाकिस्तान में कहाँ से हैं?
कराची।
आप मुझे बताइए, आप किस कैपेसिटी में यहाँ काम कर रही हैं? आई एम श्योर it's just it's a volunteer job.
Yes, yeah. I've come here as a volunteer, part of the community of Dubai. Pakistanis come out here to do as much as we can. Of course, being here outside the country, there's not that much we can do, but this is the amount of time that we can give and do as much as we possibly can from outside the country and try and drum up as much as support and donations and sympathy as well, because when you get more people to understand the situation and have more empathy for it, then you'll get more support from other nationalities as well, which is what I have been at least trying to do with my friends, and I have friends from all different nationalities in Dubai. It's so cosmopolitan.
My name is Van. Pakistan. Yeah, I'm here to help the people from Pakistan, which has been devastated by the tragedy that happened to them. So, representing the Philippines, I'm here to help in behalf of my country.
That's so overwhelming. I'm really happy to see such an effort.
आए आप लोगों को एक थोड़ा सा आए just come please go ahead थोड़ा सा एक ऊपर दिखाते हैं जहाँ पे सामान जो है डंप किया जा रहा है एक वेयर हाउस है अलकूज़ में दुबई में जो कि साउथ ऑफ दुबई में है और ये सब वो सामान है ज़्यादातर घरों से लाया गया है मुझ जैसे आप जैसे लोग अपने घर से चीज़ें सामान लेके आए यहाँ पे वॉलंटियर्स हैं जो काम कर रहे हैं उसी सामान को पैक कर रहे हैं और फिर काबुल एंड हिज कॉन्टैक्ट्स ही इज़ ट्राइंग यू नो टू सेंड दीज कंटेनर्स 40 फीट कंटेनर्स काबुल एम आई राइट 40 फीट कंटेनर्स जो है पाकिस्तान भेजे जा रहे हैं आई डोंट नो क्या हमारी सोसाइटी में एक प्रॉब्लम आ चुका है जो कि मुझे एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए कि जब डोनेशंस की बात आती है एकदम मुझे ट्रस्ट है आपका उठ जाता है आप कहते हैं यार डोनेशंस जब तक कि हम खुद इफेक्टिव तक ना पहुंचाएं हम किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को किसी के अकाउंट में कैश डालना हमें कुछ ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगता बिकॉज आई थिंक वी लैक दैट इन यू नो दैट ट्रस्ट व्हाट हैव यू डन टू मेक इट मोर ट्रांसपेरेंट सो एनीबॉडी हु कम्स हियर सेज कि नहीं यार ये जो है हम सही जगह पे दे रहे हैं और ये असल में इफेक्टिव तक पहुंचेगा
Well, you know what, you've touched a very good point. I can speak in English, right? Because I can't speak Urdu very well. The fact of the matter is, our philosophy and our loose-lit organisation is based on two things. Transparency and objectiveness. Transparency all the way, the books are open. You come in the fact of the matter is, we don't even accept people giving us cash for a start, right? On most occasions, I've refused and I've said to people, please do me a favour. I know transparency is a major issue for people. People don't want to give because money is messy. We want you to purchase the goods yourself and deliver to us.
My name is Anna Avamil.
Anna, and where are you from, Anna?
I'm from Romania.
You have any information about the effects in Pakistan, the disaster?
From what I've seen in the news and the briefings that we have in our meetings, so I'm aware of what's happening at the moment. So yeah.
Packed items, जो कुछ भी आपको मिलता है, you can donate. जो कि अगर आप मुल्क से बाहर हैं और आपको पता है कि शिपमेंट टाइम 4 से 5 दिन लेगा 6 दिन लेगा तो ऐसी चीज़ें भेजें जो कि 4-5 दिन में ख़राब ना हो कैंड आइटम्स कैंड ड्रिंक्स देन चाय एनीथिंग मेन एम इज़ to help those people who are in need. हम जितना भी कर सकते हैं हमने सिर्फ वो करना है rest we leave it to God. और जो उनकी किस्मत है लोगों की जो होना है वो तो होना है लेकिन जितना हम कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं हम एटलीस्ट वो ज़रूर करें because that is something that we are supposed to do as Pakistanis and as humans. Thank you very much. You're watching Chill Out Dubai for flood effects in Pakistan. What's your name?
Danielle.
Daniel, where are you from?
From Canada.
Right, Daniel, you've brought this stuff for the victims, the flood victims in Pakistan, I believe.
Yes.
Right. So what exactly have you got over here?
One of the ladies in my office, we had read the newspaper article where a couple was in and he asked for rice, flour, powdered milk, and wheat, and that's what we brought. 1,000 dirhams worth from my company that we've collected from the office.